How to fix CapCut no internet problem in iPhone 12. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center. Now here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then go back to your screen and check your internet connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your internet connection. After that, open App Store. Now search here CapCut. If your CapCut have any update, then update your CapCut. After update your CapCut, then go back to your screen and open settings and click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now click on CapCut. Now here you can offload your CapCut app and reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.